Good evening, dear students. Till now, we have discussed about the multiples and common multiples and finding the LCM of two numbers using factorization method, and also the applications of LCMs in our daily lives. Today, we are going to discuss about the relationship between the HCF and LCM of two numbers. First, let us take any two numbers. Let me take like this. The first number will be 10, next number will be 24. See, any two numbers. First, let us find out the HCF and LCM of these two numbers. See, let us start dividing these two numbers. Since these two numbers are even numbers, you can divide it by 2. 2 5s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So, for these two numbers, see 5 is the prime number here, 12 is composite, but you cannot have any other common factors. So, HCF will be is equal to 2. Let us continue to find out the LCM. Again, you can divide it by 2. 2 6 are. Again, you can divide that number by 2. 2 3s are. See, now you have all the prime numbers, prime factors here. Now you can multiply to get the LCM. Let us multiply. 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are 30. 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are 30. Multiplied. 2 2s are 4. So it will be equal to 120. The LCM is equal to 120. See, now you know the two numbers. Let us call this number as number 1, 10, and 24 as number 2. See, number 1 and number 2. So LCM of these two numbers is 120. HCF of these two numbers is 2. Now let us multiply number 1 and number 2. Number 1 multiplied by number 2. See, number 1 is 10, number 2 is 24. How much product you will get? So you will get 240. So now here we shall multiply HCF of those two numbers with the LCM of those two numbers. So LCM, HCF and LCM, when you multiply these two, again 120 into 2, you get 240 as the answer. See, look at the product of these two numbers and the product of LCM and HCF of those two numbers. See, they are equal. See, that is the relationship between the LCM and HCF of two numbers. See, to get clarified about this concept, let us take one more example and do it. See, let me take another two numbers. Let me take 15 and 40. 15 and 40. See, let us divide these numbers. See, this is number 1, this is number 2. See, for this, see, 40 is divisible by 2, but 15 is not divisible by 2. So, it is 15 is divisible by 3, but 40 is not divisible by 3. You can directly go by 5, so that you will get the HCF. 5 3s are, 5 8s are. Next, see, these two numbers are not divisible, so HCF is equal to 5. You continue, you will get the LCM. You divide it by 2, 3 as it is, 2 4s are. Again divide it by 2, 3 as it is, 2 2s are. See, now all are prime factors. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Multiplied by 5 2s are 10. 120. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 5 2s are 10. 12 into 10, you will get 120. See, this 120 will be the LCM of these two numbers. Now, let us multiply number 1 and number 2. See, number 1 multiplied by number 2. 15 multiplied by 40. 4 5s are 20. 2 carry. 4 1s are 4 plus 2, 6. 1 more 0. So you get 600. 600 is the product of these two numbers. Let us multiply LCM and HCF of those two numbers. HCF and LCM. 120 multiplied by 5. How much you get? 5 zeros are 0, 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 are 6. See, the product is 6. So, you can say the relationship between the HCF and LCM of two numbers as number 1 multiplied by number 2. The product of those two numbers will always be equal to the product of HCF and LCM. See, this is the relationship between the two numbers. The product of, see, you multiply the number 1 and number 2, you get a product. That will be definitely equals to HCF and LCM of those two numbers. Any numbers, any two numbers you can take and you can check it. This will be true for these two numbers. So you can say number 1 multiplied by number 2 is equal to HCF and LCM of the numbers. Now, let us try a problem based on the relationship between the LCM and HCF of two numbers. See, I will read out the problem. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 4 and 48. HCF is equal to 4. LCM is equal to 48. Respectively. If one number is 12, find another number. Number 1 is equal to 12. What is number 2? This is asked in the question. So once again I will repeat this question. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 4 and 48 respectively. If one number is 12, find the another number. So to find out another number, you can use the relationship here. N1 into N2 is equal to LCM into HCM. See that you put the values in the respective places. Number 1 is equal to 4 multiplied by number 2 you don't know. You have to find that number. LCM will be equal to 48. HCF is equal to 12. So you don't multiply, go for multiplication. You transfer 4 to the right hand side. See, this is equal to, when you take 4, say number 2 multiplied by 4 times you will get this product. So when it is taken to the right hand side, it will come to the denominator. 48 multiplied by 12 divided by 4. So number 2 will be equal to 48 multiplied by 12. Sorry.
No, sir.
Sorry.
48 into 4.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Here, HCF, I have interchanged the places. Let me write it. Sorry. See, number 1 is 12. See, HCF is 4. See, in confusion, I have written 4 there. Okay. Now it is okay. See, now 48 multiplied by 4 divided by 12. See, 12 when transferred to the right hand side, it will come to the denominator. Now you can easily cancel the things. 12 ones are, 12 fours are. See, 4 into 4, 4 fours are 16. So, number 2 is 16 is the answer. See, using this relationship, you can find out the